Alright guys, I got a new video for you. Ew, I licked the microphone. This episode is how to open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. I know that it works on Chrome. Alright, right here. And you want to go, let's say Instagram or whatever. You want to use Instagram and you're like, hey, I can't DM people, what the heck? So what you gotta do is you hit Control-Shift-I to inspect elements. And it will look like this, you know? And then you click this button right here. And then you pick the device you want, like the Galaxy S5, the Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, iPhone, whatever. And then what you want to do is you want to hit refresh. And now, well, check that out. Now you can message people. Pretty sweet. I can message Caden here. We got all our needs. And you can say, hey, and you can hit send. And if you want to change it back, you hit Control-Shift-I as well. And you just click this again. And you hit refresh. And it's back to normal. Alright guys, and I'm back on my phone, and I just want to show you that the message sent. And there it is. I can reply. And there it is. This also works with other apps like Facebook. So, again, Control-Shift-I. Click this button again. Pixel 2, sure. Yeah, we like that. Refresh. And look at that. You got the mobile version of Facebook right here. You got all your stuff. You can even play games like this and message people and so on and so forth. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys next time.